guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a twist color scanning effect for your logo in CapCut. So here you just need to prepare a background like this, then just add your logo. In this case, I'm going to just write my logo like this. Okay, for example. You can also change the font into the one you want. I'm going to use this one. Adjust the size. Now go to animation. Select on loop. Then choose the twist animation. Okay, this one. Click on the check icon and then just export the video text. So after you export, you just need to open the video text in a new project like this and head to the video effect. On the light effect here, find the color scanning effect. This one. Okay, now adjust the intensity to 100, atmosphere 100, the color 25, and the twist 17. Click on the check icon. So put the effect half like this on the text, on the video text. Okay, now click on object, all videos, and add a keyframe at the start. Move forward, add another keyframe. Now lower the atmosphere to 0 on the second keyframe, and also the color, increase it to 80. Okay, click on a check icon. Now go in between the keyframe, click on grabs and select the ease in one. Okay, so now the logo will look like this. And now click on a clip, add a keyframe at the start, then zoom in the logo, and then move forward. Okay, so in here I'm going to add another keyframe on the main clip, then zoom out back the clip. Okay, after that go in between the keyframe and choose the ease out one grab, and you are done. So the logo will look now like this. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, comment, and also click on thanks. Bye.